Today we will be talking about Amendment 5, eminent domain. My name is Carla Anderson.
And my name is Nikayla Henry.
What is eminent domain? Eminent domain is when the government needs to get rid of your property for something and is not allowed to do it without your consent. So basically, he tries to take your house and you don't have to.
This is a prime example of eminent domain and basically how it works. You may pause the video so you can better understand the example.
This is slide number 4, importance of my amendment. The importance of eminent domain is it protects you from the government property relevance only. This is one of the cases of eminent domain.
This is slide number 5, question number 1. What would happen if it didn't exist? If we didn't have eminent domain, the government would be able to take our home without our consent.
Slide number 6, question number 2. The question is, what are your thoughts on the amendment? I feel like the Fifth Amendment, eminent domain, is very important because without it, many people would be homeless and the government would be able to take advantage of us.
This is slide number 7, the bibliography. We got our information from google.com and we got more information from our school books.
Now, what are your thoughts on eminent domain?
Comment down below.